Have you noticed something strange? You do a strong, intense yoga classes. You sweat. You stretch a lot. You push yourself. And for a few hours, you feel amazing, very nice and good about it. But by evening, your entire system again comes down, the tension is back. There is another day you move slowly. You breathe and you just relax, and somehow you feel lighter the entire whole day. Calm, more clear, and more grounded. I kept noticing this in my own body very often, and I started asking this why this slows goes much more deeper in me. And I realized because intensity feels like work. So the mind believes it must be more effective. If I am doing more, something must be changing. And the body does not measures effort, it responds to the safety. And when we push hard, what happens is that we feel our heart rate goes up, our breath gets faster, our muscles gets tightened. The entire system prepares for the action. But it is the same state which the body uses for the stress. So even though it is yoga, your chemistry is still fight or flight mode. The body protects, it does not repair. Think about it in your daily life. When do you open up with someone emotionally? When someone pushes you so much, or when you feel safe with them? When do you sleep deeply? After rushing all the day, or when everything slows down during the night time? When does the healing happens? In pressure or when the system is rested? Same logic. The nervous system heals only when it feels safe. And this is exactly where Tantra feels so different. Because Tantra never said push harder. It never said force transformation. It simply says slow down enough to keep yourself. Because when you slow down, your breath goes deep, your muscles get soft, and the body stopped bracing. And then the system quietly moves into the repair mode. No drama, no big rehearsals and releases, just a subtle setting. But that setting where the real changes happens. Intensity gives you the sensations. Slowness gives you the integration. Intensity feels powerful and slow feels safe. And slowly, what feels safe actually stays in us. That's why intense practices feels good temporarily, but slow practices changes you long term because the nervous system finally says, okay, I can release now, I can be relaxed. That's why Tantra chooses slowness, not because it is lazy, no. Why? Because it is gentle, it brings you to the present moment, because it understood that something very practical, that body heals in the safety, not in the effort. And sometimes the deepest work looks like doing almost nothing. You feel there is no movement happening altogether. But inside, everything is getting reorganized. That is the kind of change that lasts finally.